Happy Friday. I am here in New York and I have been working all week for Victoria's Secret. So today I have the day off and I'm just kind of chilling, cleaning, doing some stuff, and I got a little bored. So I thought I would do another little makeup tutorial because I like it and I think it's fun. I don't usually wear a lot of makeup, and normally when I'm not working I don't wear it. I just think there's something really intriguing about it and artistic about makeup, and I really like my job because I get to work with so many amazing makeup artists and hairstylists, and I really think of it as more of an expression of art and people's personalities, and everybody does it so differently, and I think that's something that I really love about it. I have no idea what I'm doing and I don't think of myself as good at it, but I do think that it's very fun, so I really like sharing some things that just interest me because, you know, it's really cool that we get to express more of our personalities as models nowadays with social media. So I just wanted to share with you guys some of my interests. Alright, so I'm going to get started. God, you can't even see it. Absolute precious oil. A little bit of foundation, and this one is called Skin Feels Good. I think women are naturally beautiful without makeup, and I don't think that I need makeup. I just think it's fun. I don't know. I think girls just really love makeup because it's fun to do it, and it's kind of creative, and you get to do different things every day and kind of just express maybe how you're feeling, and that's one of the reasons that I like it. So this is the Absolute powder, and I really like it because it kind of has a little bit more of a rose tint to it. I'm going to use some concealer. This is the Tint Idole Ultra Wear. It's one of my favorites, and I just dab it under my eye right here in little dots. I put it under my eyes and in my T-zone. So this one is 350 Bisque, and it's called Dual Finish. So this is the Sourcils Définis in 055 Brune Intense. I actually used to really hate my eyebrows because they were so thick and unruly, and I always wanted my mom to pluck them, but she utterly refused. Thank you. If you have bushy eyebrows, then you should appreciate them. And people tell me all the time, pluck them, they're crazy. And I'm like, no, I refuse. I'm going to use some blush. I like a little rosy color to my cheeks. I think it's really nice in the summertime. This is Color Design, and the number is Bronze Amour 101. I love browns because I have blue-green eyes, so I really feel like it brings out the green. That's what it looks like so far. Sometimes I just stop there, and then I'll do like a little liner and throw on some mascara, but I think I'm gonna go and kind of contour the lid a little bit with this. So next I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner. So I'm going to use brown, and I'm going to use the Sourcils Gel, and its color is Brune 05. Love a little bit of wing eyeliner. It's one of my favorites and my overall go-to, and I probably overuse it and do it too much, and it's probably in every single one of my makeup tutorials, but I don't care. I love it. Sometimes if I'm not wearing makeup, I'll still wake up in the morning and just curl my eyelashes and not even put mascara on. I love my eyelash curler. This is my all-time favorite. This is Monsieur Big. It is the best. Something kind of fun that I never really do. I'm gonna do a lip color. So this is Impaciente 172 from L'Absolu Rouge. It's kind of a bit more of an orange color. I love orange. It's so fun and summery, and I feel like we should use it more. Go over this and kind of fill in this color with this is a matte shaker from Lancome, and it is number 186. So this is also more of a bright orange. I'm going to throw you for a little bit of a loop. I'm going to take this color, it's like kind of a brownish orange. It is 126, and I'm going to take some of it. So there's that, and then real quick, I just kind of want to do this. I'm going to take off. Sometimes I think it's fun to do the same color on the lip as on the eye, and this one is very subtle, and I do this because I want to kind of blend it in a little bit more and make it more of a stain and not such a lipstick or such a dramatic presence, just so it's a little bit more subtle. This is a lot more makeup than I normally wear, and I just kind of wanted to do something different and kind of fun, and maybe show you a little bit of some tricks that I learned along the way, that just because it's a product for something specific doesn't mean you always have to use it for that. That's kind of one of the reasons I really like makeup, and you know, feel free to get creative and do whatever you want.